no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 4 of our daily devotionals. So I have been doing some daily devotionals. I'm just sharing these every day. I'm going to try to do all 365. I'm using the devotional written by Sarah Young. This is called Jesus Calling. This is a great devotional, guys. My stepmom got me this for Christmas. I decided that it was obviously the best time to start a devotional. So I just thought it would be something nice to share with y'all. Anyways, you can pick these up at Walmart. You can order them online, and you can also download the app Jesus Calling. So check that out for sure. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so if you have missed the other episodes, you can go back and watch those. I'll have them linked in the description box for you. And if you're wondering why I'm doing these daily devotionals and not my DIYs, then you have missed a lot. So I will have those videos linked in the description box also. All right, let's get started. So I went ahead and read a little bit of this. Like, I went ahead and read a little bit of it, and then I was like, oh my goodness. So if this devotional right here doesn't hit home for me, then I don't know what does, because this one right here is definitely a good one for me under the circumstances that I have right now. So anyways, but everybody needs to hear this. All right. I want you to learn a new habit. Try saying, I trust you, Jesus, in response to whatever happens to you. There's always a dog near me. Always, guys. Now we have this one. I mean, they just pop in like I'm not filming or anything. They don't care. They just do their own thing. Anyways, let's start over. Okay. You stay. Stay right there. Chill. He's literally right there. Okay, so it says, I want you to learn a new habit. Try saying, I trust you, Jesus, in response to whatever happens to you. If there is time, think about who I am in all my power and glory. Ponder also the depth and breadth of my love for you. This simple practice will help you see me in every situation, acknowledging my sovereign control over the universe. When you view events from this perspective, through the light of my universal presence, fear loses its grip on you. Adverse circumstances become growth opportunities when you affirm your trust in me, no matter what. You receive blessings gratefully, realizing they flow directly from my hand of grace. Your continual assertion of trusting me will strengthen our relationship and keep you close to me. Gosh, this book is so good, y'all. Oh, my goodness. All right, so the verses... Okay, hang on one second. Let me get this dog situated. Get over here. Come on, Bubba. Do you want to say hi? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Look, Booker. Literally in my lap as I do this. Y'all like my little makeshift thing I got going on here? Guys, oh my goodness, me and the dogs. It's just me and the dogs always. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Yeah, so this devotional today is all about trusting God. And with the circumstances that I'm in right now, losing our home and having to completely start over from scratch, I don't have any choice but to trust God. There's nothing else that I can possibly do but trust God. So, that's not to say that I'm perfect or that I never sin or, I don't even go to church like I should, okay? But I know that God loves me no matter what. No matter what, God loves me and he is going to take care of me. Because I think I've said it once before, but I just view God's love the same way, my daddy loved me growing up. And that's a good love. That is love that wants to, prosper you and bring you hope for the future. Just like that verse said a couple days ago. That's what God's love is all about. And I trust that that is going to happen for me and my family. I totally trust that. Now, trusting God is not the easiest thing to do, especially if you've not ever seen him work in your life, you know, or you've not ever really seen him work in somebody else's life. Then it's not that easy to just put your trust in God. But I'm telling you right now, I know that God is real, and I know in the bottom of my heart, with every ounce of my being, that God is going to take care of me and my family. And I'm going to trust that, and I hope that you all trust and believe. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this today. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, I guess that's it. I really do hope that you guys are enjoying this. Thank you so much for all the comments and just the encouragement and the love and support that y'all are showing. I thank you so much. All right. Thank you for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.